Hey guys, it's me Prasad with part of your Indian consumer, and today I have here with me Sennheiser CX180 Street 2. These are the budget-oriented Sennheiser headphones, entry-level headphones, in-ear type. I firstly would like to thank Mr. Nimesh Kothawde, one of our subscribers, for providing me these headphones for unboxing and review. So let's see what we have on the box here. All the details mentioned about the design, and here you can see the technical. You can pause the video here and see the technical specifications for these particular headphones. And quickly let's get into the box. So talking about these headphones, so basically in the box you only get the headphones. You have some extra earpieces of medium, small and large sizes, so they are available in 3 different variants. Here let's quickly get the headphones out. Now these headphones come with a 2-year warranty. The cable is 1.2 meter long, impedance is 12 ohms, sensitivity is 110 decibels. They come with noise cancellation. So let's quickly open them up. These headphones don't come with a tangle-free cable. The cable is very thin but seems of very nice quality. So let's take a closer look. And here we see a nice rubberized plastic used with a metal grill. The cord is fairly thin but looks very premium. Look is very nice. I like this logo here on the center. Little details are taken care of, which is a very nice thing, and of course you expect that with such a nice brand. The 3.5mm jack, which also has the branding, and it is gold plated, so another nice thing. This little thing here provided to attach to your fabric, and of course the extra earplugs as per your ear size, medium, small and large. I tried to tangle them up, I tried to entangle them, but they did not tangle so easily, so which was another interesting thing. So even if they're not the tangle-free types, but still they are good. And here you see this plastic here, which is provided here so that the pieces don't break from there. Generally we tend to see the earphones breaking from that point, and similar thing you see on the headphone jack as well, audio jack. Let's quickly remove the earplug. So here you can see it is very easy to remove the earplug, and the grill, the metal grill, also looks very nice, and it is very easy to put in as well. So you can change the ear tips as per your ear sizes very easily. Very ergonomic in design. You can hold them this way. I will try and give you an actual idea of how exactly the music sounds on these headphones. I've rated the build quality 7 out of 10 as I found them average, and the branding, they have very nicely branded all over, so I've rated it 9 out of 10. Sound quality seems very nice, the treble, bass, everything is very clear, so 8 out of 10. And the price compared to other brands, I've rated 7 out of 10 because cheap quality price headphones are also available. So overall total I rate them 8 out of 10, and on Flipkart it is 4-star rated by around 1742 people. So that was all about the headphones, and I really thank all my 169 subscribers, to be precise, for subscribing to my channel, having faith in me and liking my videos. I really thank you all people. Others who have not yet subscribed and you like my videos, you can click on the button that you see on the screen and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep making such videos. Indian Consumer is a channel for all you Indian consumers out there, so please like my videos and do subscribe. Thank you.